bags in my
Wait till you feel the power.
Here we go.
It is spring 1982. Men gather in a dusty byroad.
What are we in, Eric?
This is Sardinia. They've come to drive a car. The car will be called Sierra. From the first tentative sketches, Sierra was destined to have a smooth, low-drag body. Although the subtlety of these compound curves would produce forms of startling originality, the true function of the body was its efficiency. Fuel could be saved if the shape was right. So airflow management required changes and checking to fractions of a millimeter until these curves were absolutely correct. Even before the first Sierra had been built, a radical high-performance version called XR4 was taking shape. Modeled in clay like the rest of the car, the biplane spoilers would enhance the basic body and improve aerodynamics. Throughout the Sierra program, wind tunnel tests have been high priority. Just testing scale models or blowing air over a clay mock-up isn't enough. Real cars move through real air. This particular test is late confirmation of prototype performance. This is a real Sierra. Over the 5 years of design work, Sierra has done 1,000 wind tunnel tests. Sierra's rounded plan area gives the body very clean air penetration. Flush-fitting glass and a sharply raked windscreen maintain a smooth airflow over the entire roofline. The drag coefficient for all Sierras is similar. This 5-door gear turns in an impressive CD figure of 0.34, 22% less than the average European family car. This is the Lommel Proving Ground in Belgium. The prototypes are now out and running, day and night. There's a feeling of quiet optimism. They now know they have a good car. As they sign off Sierra, the program enters its final phase, and the run-up to production begins.